Let's create one more tutorial in SolidWorks. In this video, you'll learn to use the Revolve and Extruded cut. So open the SolidWorks and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here in the center of this line here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll create a line here with 5 millimeters and create a line here with 8.5 millimeters. So open the SolidWorks, go to Sketch and select the front plane, select a line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here and another line here, and go to Smart Dimension. The distance here 5 millimeters and here 8.5. And now we will create these three lines here. This line here has 3 millimeters and the distance between this line and the midpoint is 15 millimeters. Three millimeters here, and the distance between this line and the midpoint 15. And select this point here, hold the Ctrl in the keyboard and select this point and add relation vertical and press OK. And now we'll make this line here with 20.5 millimeters and we will create this line here and a center line, okay? A line between the midpoint and this point here. So make a line here, another line here, and make a line here in the center, okay? Go to Smart Dimension. This line here has 20.5 millimeters of length. And move this point here. And go to Smart Dimension. The angle here, 45 degrees. The distance here is 5 millimeters. We made this one. And now go to Features and select Revolved Boss Base. And the axis of revolution is the center line here. And press OK. We made this one. Okay. And now we will make these rolls with 5 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of this hole in the midpoint is 10 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select this face. And here select a circle. Make a circle here. And go to Smart Dimension. The distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 10 millimeters. And the diameter of the circle is 5 millimeters. And here, select the center of the circle, hold Ctrl in the keyboard and select the midpoint and add relation, horizontal, and press OK. And now, go to circular pattern. And here, select the circle. The quantity here is 4 and press OK. And now go to Features and select Extruded Cut. And the direction here, select it through all and press OK. And that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.